Dr. Eileen Han from the Academy of Acupuncture. Last time we made it the sweet potato leaves for stir fry with garlic. And this time I'm going to show you a different way to make it as good as the stir fry. So we're going to use the garlic right here. So I'm going to prepare it real quickly. That's what we're going to do, is mince the garlic, okay? This is our garlic that we're going to use for today. Did I tell you I like chili sauce? So I'm going to put 2 pieces. You're going to look very beautiful, but doesn't taste much because the Papa Han can't eat chili. Okay, make it 3. Trinity, 3. We're going to do 3, okay? 3. The boiling water is ready for us. Papa, 给我那个盘子。这个。对。And Papa Han is just handing me the sweet potato leaves. So this is our new way of doing it. Gonna go through the boiling water very quickly. Very quickly. We want it to be warm because I don't want it to be cold. So we can serve this warm. Ooh, yeah, it's ready. You don't want to cook it too long. Okay, maybe 10-15 seconds and you will take it out. Simply just take it out. So don't cook too long, that would be too mushy. And here you go. After we done that, we put our garlic and hot sauce, hot chili on top. And we put in this nice, tasty soy sauce paste. For those of you who know the hoisin sauce, you can use the hoisin sauce. Personally, I like soy sauce paste. Okay, and you just pour it on it like this. Yeah, there you go. That is your sweet potato leaves. There you go. Enjoy your dinner.
Good.
Yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. Ah. I will see you next time. Thank you. But we send you seem the same. 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 It's not gonna taste better. Okay, tastes good. It's not gonna taste better. Okay, tastes good. They're still alive. We're watering for the sweet potato leaves. Look at that. You can eat so many meals for all this leaves. So just give them a little water. Go harvest tomorrow morning. Right now it's too hot. Way too hot. The sun is so I know. You guys are in fall season.